అవునండి. అవునండి. ఆడిట్ చేయండి. కరెక్ట్. ఆ! ఆ! హ్మ్. ఆ! 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 ఇంక్లూడ్ అయ్యి Right now, only four people join. Still, we are waiting for candidates joining. Already from the capable, we are ready with our Google Meet link. We already started the process, and we're just waiting for aspirants till no one has joined. Good morning, all of you. This is Dr. Chris Srinivas, placement head from Capable Allied Techno Groups, Bangalore. We have multiple branches in Pan India, throughout Pan India, and today we are conducting Pragma Edge IT consulting full virtual course drive. It's a part of Naukri Saksham. The Naukri Saksham program is a brainchild of our co-founder Umang Surana, who is IIT graduate and postgraduate. And he is the brainchild of this Naukri Saksham. And this program, through Naukri Saksham, we have connected a number of IT and non-IT companies, more than 1,000 plus companies right now we are having, and we are connected with these companies with who are left out students. I mean, who are not placing at two, and they are waiting for best opportunities, and they're struggling for placement opportunities in for current academic year. And for those people, we are conducting these full campus drive basically, and here we never charging anything from the company, from the student, and from the colleges. It's a completely free of cost, and it's only for a part of an Build India movement, and it's part of, and we are encouraging the students, so that we are conducting this program for voluntarily for cooperating with and helping them who are getting placements, who are trying to getting placements in different companies. And we are regularly conducting every week. We are conducting 2 to 3 pool drives. So we are planning, and for coming weeks, we have multiple companies for MNCs, like MNCs, and the package, that's very good packages we are offering to our best clients. So that this is the brief about is Naukri Saksham and Capable, and so here I want to give some inputs regarding for this drive. And the students, you cannot leave the online Google Meet up to your final submission of your exam, online exam. And meanwhile, if you are left any this Google link, we will consider as you as a rejected candidate. So that every student must be in mind, and up to submission of your final exam. Final exam means this online exam, and you stay with online. And right now, I am hand out to our co-founder, Mr. Umang Surana. He is explaining the what is Naukri Saksham, what is Capable, and everything. Sir, over to
Sure. Thank you, Srinivasji. First of all, it's always great to be talking to the student, and thanks for being organizing and getting things here for the students and taking the company in and everyone here. So, very good afternoon, everyone. Great to have you all. You are on YouTube checking out the placement drive by Capable for Pragma Edge. And this is a new initiative by Capable where we want students to be industry ready from wherever we can. Okay, Capable is an organization which works with colleges and students and industries where the industry people hire via us. Now, what I would do is I will give you a quick walkthrough about Capable, about myself in general, via sharing my screen here. So I hope all of you can see my screen. As Srinivasji already mentioned you about the process today, the process is pretty straightforward. You are listening to us first, and then we will be walking you through the Pragma Edge requirement, what is the JD, what the company is, and all of those aspects. At the end of it, you will be given a test. Test link will be put in the YouTube chat here, and it will be open only for half an hour. Once you have completed the test, automatically within half an hour, we will close the test. Those people who would have not completed it will be signed out automatically. So ensure that you done the test. We will inform 5 minutes before when the test time is about to be over. We'll inform a minute before so that you are aware what is happening. Okay. And then you will submit it. Now, to start things about capable, about us, first of all, I'm Umang Surana. As Srinivas mentioned, I'm co-founder of Capable, and I'm a graduate from IIT Madras. As you all know, IIT Madras is ranked right now the number one institute in India, and I'm grateful that I could study from there. And from there, the engineering bug has always been that, and we are working this because capable is of engineers, by engineers, and for engineers. We want students of India to be the best engineers out there in the world. Now, why is that? Why engineering is so important? Because if you look at the world's top engineer, top nations, top powerful or top rich nations, almost all of them are engineering nations. Okay, take Japan, take US, take China, take Russia, Germany, Australia, any country you pick, which you see as great nation, is an engineering nation. And India already has a lot of potential. We can be the topmost in the best country, and that's where this placement drive is there, that the best students get connected with the top companies so that you start using your potential to make India better in these companies. And these placement drives are conducted of no cost. It's on YouTube. Everyone can join in and they can be part of these drives and get to the top companies. Because of our efforts, thankful, we are grateful that a lot of folks have recognized us. NASCOM, Startup India, Mayank, who is the company CEO, is a TEDx speaker. We have won EdTech Startup Challenge by Government of India and Niti Aayog. We have represented India in Expo, Dubai Expo. We have been finalists at Aegis Graham Bell Awards. We are internationally accredited and connected with the top of a lot of companies, be it NSYS or Siemens and all, and organizations like SA India and many others. Okay, so this initiative is there because we want students to get skilled and get jobs. Now, I cannot or we cannot skill you in this placement drive, but with this placement drive, the idea is the best students get placed. So that is where it is for the colleges, so that the best student from the college can come in and can get placed. Reason being that the placement scenario in India is not at the best. We are still laggards when it comes to the international world. Even in the college, we are still trying to get more and more students placed. That's why we are doing this effort. And this scenario has changed. Previously, a lot of companies would go to a college to hire. Now the companies are hiring from a common database, which is available online. Students are participating on platforms like ours. Okay, so the college recognition is still important, however, not that important as much as skills or companies hiring from a common pool of candidates. That's where Naukri Saksham comes in. Guys, one more important thing, the drive is happening today. We have informed the placement officers about the results, or we will be informing you about the results messages by messaging that when the result announcement ceremony would be happening, which would be mostly tomorrow at around 3 p.m. But if it changes, we will inform you accordingly. So the test you would give, the result would be announced tomorrow, and you would be, the selected people are going to be, interviewed or spoken with by the company, and others would have to improve on their skills and the other aspects of their resumes and their profile so that they can grab those opportunities as well. So with this, I think what I would do now is focus again on hearing, you ensuring that you hear clearly on what is being conveyed in the JD today. Okay, whatever is being told in the JD right now is something that you should take care of. And the second thing is you should also take care of ensuring that you are talking or you are taking the test carefully, you submit within the time and attend tomorrow's placement ceremony so that you can know what is the next step. If you're selected, what's the next step? If you're not selected, what can you do? So with this, all the best to all of you. Do great. I hope you, all of you, pass the exams in the flying colors, and it's a headache for the company on how to hire these many good candidates. And I hope the company also get the good candidate and they find that, okay, these students are really amazing. So with this, I pass it again to Srinivas ji. Over to you to walk the students through the details.
Uh, Thank you, Umang, and And coming to the today's drive, and actually Pragma Edge, I want to before going to the online exam, I would like to explain some few points about these Pragma Edge. Pragma Edge basically is a data and cloud company, and Pragma deliver software services on B2BI and MFT and e-commerce integration. Pragma have specialized in data transfer and transformation, data capabilities, and they have an, multiple their services they are having. Basically, their Pragma is majorly in you know their major services are in cloud services, and they are in artificial intelligence and machine learning process. They right now they are looking for they are looking for Java and testing manual or Selenium, and as well as they are looking for artificial intelligence and machine learning who are having a very good knowledge in these kind of technologies, and their services like file gateway, box, control digitalization like IBM partner engagement, manager standard, and community manager, and B2BI services. Coming to the B2BI services, IBM Sterling and B2B integrator, and IBM Control Center, IBM ITNX. Basically, their IBM, what IBM having these technologies, they are very good, and their IBM is the is already client to the Pragma Edge, and they are in big data, machine learning, and Apache. They are having one of the big client to the Pragma Edge, Apache, Spark, and Zeppelin, and Hadoop, IBM Western, and machine learning. They're in sustainability uh, services like IBM NVZ ESG suite and IBM Maximo application suite, like and so like this, they are having a multiple services they're involving with. It's a very good company, and they're right now they're looking for Java full stack developers and C++ who is having very infrastructures, and as well as in artificial intelligence and based on good knowledge who are trainable for those requirements. So the client requirements. So this is the about the PragmaEdge, and students having any doubts regarding these coming to the package, and they are offering more than 5 lakhs package who got selected for the this role, and they are offering more than 5 lakhs package for these candidates. Of course, the recruitment process should be a very bit of systematic and tough process compared with on par with TCS and like Wipro like standards they are having, and so that, and I'm suggesting you each and every candidate, and please focus on this drive, and please thorough with your background, academic background, and everything, and technical background especially. They look into your technical knowledge, and they test your coding part and everything. So I'm suggesting you, and please focus on those core areas. And coming to the have you any more doubts? And please mention in chat box, and or else. Oman. Uh, Sorry for students, sorry for corporate, and actually we are sharing the examination link right now in YouTube. Please find out there and the examination, focus on examination first, and then you what your publishing process and please cooperate with members. Today, Pragma online examination is right now is we are sharing the link in YouTube and please link first meeting and is lead online until you submit your examination. So please write the examination. That is the shortlisting, preliminary shortlisting process. Your exhibition, we announce your shortlisting candidates have concerned TPS. Your shortlisting, you have further process at Pragma Edge, Hyderabad. Please capability and write examination and please submit and in time. Okay. Thank you.
Hi all, please start the test. The test link is shared in the YouTube chat, and we would be closing the test at 1 p.m. sharp. The thing is that the company you all know is Pragma Edge. It is located in Hyderabad. The role is for software developer. Okay, tend the test properly. Ensure that you complete the test within 30 minutes. If you don't submit it, it will be closed. Okay, so the interview process would start after Hello, students. I hope you have started submitting your tests. It is 12:59 right now. By the time I speak and it comes to you, it might be already 1, and we will be closing the test anytime now. So it's about time. Just whatever you have done, submit, submit, submit. Close, because otherwise, if you're not submitting now, you will lose whatever you work you have done. So guys, I hope all of you have submitted it. We are closing the test now. All the best for the results. Do tune in tomorrow at 3 p.m. We will be announcing the results, whoever is selected, whoever is rejected, and what are the next step. If you have any confusions, we are here for 5 minutes. Ask anything you have in the chat here, and we will be replying to that either in the chat itself or taking the question, answering that verbally. So I hope all of you had a great test. We are closing the test. The test is closed. So the results will be announced. I hope all of you have submitted it already. Thank you. And we are waiting for a few more minutes. And after that, we will be closing the stream. So I'm getting many messages on the chat that they're not able to access the test because the time schedule was 1 p.m. So if you have not done it by then, it automatically is not taking the submission. We have already got around 300 plus submissions. So that means most of the students have submitted it in time. Okay, so we will be essentially now taking up what do you say, the results. Those guys, unfortunately, who have missed it, I would suggest from next time we have these kind of sessions regularly happening. Do ensure that you finish before time, as goes with any exam. After the time, you will lose access. Okay, so if you have not submitted before one, unfortunately, you have lost access even if you have completed a test, as we have been saying. So, but better luck next time. These kind of things will keep showing up, but ensure that submit it. Okay, we have got enough applications and enough submission. That means most of the students have been able to close it well. Okay, so when will be the next round? Next round information will be made aware to you tomorrow in the meeting at 3 p.m. The meeting link and everything else will be given to you in the message for tomorrow. Okay, so keep looking at your WhatsApp. Also, you might get an email as well. So keep looking at your email for the same. 2024 batch cannot take this. This is for the placement students. So this is not an internship. However, we will be announcing internships also. So that's where 2024 and 2025 batch people can join in. Okay, Afreen has mentioned that we have to add better option in programming test. So definitely, Afreen, thanks for this. I will ensure that from next time onwards, you get good options here. If there's something wrong, I will be getting it test checked. So test results would be announced at 3 p.m. If there's a change, anyways, we will announce it. But mostly right now, it is final. It will be at 3 p.m. And for the same, you will be getting the meeting link. Okay. So I hope all of the questions are covered. Okay, so with this, I wish you all the best for the results tomorrow. Do attend the session and then go through the next steps. Okay, and if those students who have missed it today, unfortunately, we have to go by the rules. And what I can say is there would be more tries, more opportunities coming up. Keep applying. Okay. So with this, I would be signing off. This is Umang from Capable and Srinivasji, who was the initially walking you through. He is the person who has got the companies and the students together. And thank you everyone for joining in. We wish at Capable you be the guys who go on to be the pillars of these engineering companies. So be great engineers, do good. Thank you. Be capable. Bye.